Welcome back, everyone. So far we talked about the truth table for P then Q. We just showed that P then Q is the same as not P or Q. Now I expect you to ask, what is the negation of P then Q? We're going to form the truth table and check to see if the negation of P then Q is equivalent to P and not Q. To form the truth table, we need to have all statements P, Q, P then Q, not P then Q on one side, and on the other side, we're going to form the truth table for P and not Q. So first of all, list all possibilities for PQ. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. What is P then Q? Remember the table for implication. True then true is true. True then false is false. False then true is true. False then false is true. Now, what is the negation of this column here? The negation of true is false. The negation of false is true. The negation of true is false. And the negation of true is false. So we basically constructed the table for not P then Q. Now we're going to move on and construct the truth table for the right-hand side. So let me change the color. On the right-hand side, you have P and not Q. So you are combining P and not Q. We don't have not Q. So first, we're going to take Q and construct not Q. Q is true, not Q is false. True is false, not Q is true. Q is true, not Q is false, and Q is false, not Q is true. Now you're going to take not Q and then P, combine them together using connector and. So let me just move this here, and this is going to be our new column. Take a look. True and false is false. True and true is true. False and false is false. False and true is true. Very good. So we basically constructed the truth table for P and not Q, which is just right here. Now compare these two. You have false, false, true, true, false, 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 false. It means that they are the same. So you can for sure say that if I take the negation of P then Q, it is going to be P and not Q. It's a common mistake for students that say that, hey, the negation of P then Q is the negation of P then the negation of Q. This is false, everybody. We don't have something like this. This is absolutely incorrect. This is not the same as not P, then not Q. These two are different statements. They are not equivalent to each other. So this is a common mistake for students. Be careful there.